What's up guys, this is your boy, the average game 98 over here, back with another video, and this video we will be looking at how to use Canva to build thumbnails for your YouTube videos, and we're gonna get started with this video right now. So let's get started here. And once you log into Canva, you'll have to go to canva.com and register yourself. Once you register yourself, you can log in, and this is the screen that you will see here. So there are a lot of options for you to start designing your different types of posts. So what we want to do here is kind of scroll down, and you have this YouTube thumbnail option. So you can select here this YouTube thumbnail option, go to see all, and you will be seeing different types of YouTube thumbnails. So some of them are paid, like this one is paid. You'll have an identification over here that this is paid, and a few others are not paid. So you can select any one of these like preloaded templates, and once you select that template, depending on what type of channel you are, you can use it and customize it to the way you want. So in this particular video, since I am a gaming channel, I'll try to look at something which is related with gaming as well as free. If I'm not finding something, we're gonna use another, another template and edit it accordingly. So let's check here all the options that we have. You can see here most of the ones which are related with gaming are kind of paid, but this is something which is free. This is a kiddie group games. This is free. This is, again, it's not entirely a gaming one, but still this is also free. So you have a different options which are free and paid. So most of the games, gaming ones rather is paid. So let's select any one of them as far as I'm concerned, which is free right now, and also has an advantage of using some text in the first place. So you'll also find some videos here, like this is an icon which shows that this is a video one, although it's paid as well. So let's pick an option which is free. So let's scroll up again, and let's select one which is free here. So let's check this one. So this is not a gaming one, but easy indoor workouts. But let's select this one, and we'll show you how to convert this into a gaming one. So let this open up. So you have this particular canvas. So this is why it's kind of even called Canva, because you're kind of editing it in canvas. So this is a background picture that you have, and you have the words that you can type in. So you can just select it here, and you can just start typing. So for example, let's try it as how to play well. Let's let it be simple. Now this is kind of left aligned, so what you can do is select everything, and you have this option above here, alignment. So you can do it as centered. So this is the centered alignment, and here what you can do is click outside and click again, and then drag this box in the middle. So you can drag it here in the middle to give an overview of how to put it in the middle. So let's check all the other boxes. So what you can do here is no equipment needed. Instead, you can type in gaming is, say for example, awesome. So what you can do is you can type in gaming is awesome, and then you can center align it again, and then you can change the font. So what you can do is you have this option here, the text color, whether it's a bold one or not. If you bold it, it will become bold, like you can see here. And let's look at the font here. You can change the font. There are different options. You can select any one. The ones which are marked as star, those are actually the premium options. That is only if you have a Canva Pro, which is a paid version. So if you use that, then only you will be able to select that. The other ones which are not having this mark, these are free. So this is something that I can use for free. Let's check this. Did I type in B here? I think it should be E. Okay, it's showing as E. All right, so gaming is, let's type it as gaming is awesome. And then you can also do effects on this particular text. So let's try something different here. Let's put a neon effect. So what you can do is here you can select effect, and you can select neon, and then based on the intensity, this effect is gonna change. So you want to have a color which is in contrast with the background, so you can change the color accordingly. So from the color options here, you can select this add color, Let's go with something red, because red probably is something that you can see easily. And now I can increase the size a bit as well. Let's select everything and let's increase the size from the size option that you can see here. So once this is done, you can have this again kind of center aligned. Let me click outside. Yep, I have clicked outside, and now I can center align it. You will get marks or when it is about to be center aligned, or like the alignment is gelling well. And then what else you can do is you can change this image as well. So how to change that image, let me show you guys how to change that image. So we want to change this image at the behind one, which is, this is not a workout that we are trying to do. So to change the image, what we want to do is go into more options here, and then you will find background here. I had already clicked on it, so this background is visible here on the left hand side. So you can click on the background and you'll get a decent amount of results. Now we want something related with gaming, so we can type in gaming, and this is just showing a basketball, so that doesn't help much. But let's look at games. Do we find something better? We are still not finding something better. So let's let's remove the search and let's look at all the results we have. These are all the results. These are free basically, so if you want, you can even upload a custom background from your end to match up with whatever you want to do. And let's select anyone from here. Let's for example select let's say, let's keep it simple. Even though it's a gaming one, let's keep it simple. So how to play well, we have here. And let's raise this even higher. And you can actually kind of add logos. So now it is center aligned, you can add logos. So this is a logo, this is coming pre-default. You can have this option to remove this logo using this delete option. You have a delete element or a group, so this consists of a couple of things. So you can delete the group, so this entire thing will vanish. So what else you can do is you can click on elements, and you can add in something which you want. So this is just because this is a gaming one, so let's click on this. You have a detailed picture of this, and you can actually overlay this as a background as well. So you can just expand this and create this, and this is it. So you create a very simple one, a simple thumbnail for your video that you want to create, which is, for example, here, how to play well and gaming is awesome. So with that being said, you have other options as well to include graphics as well as charts in this elements option. You feel free to use them the way that you want them to. And what else you can do is, finally, once you're done editing, you can just click on this download option, and it will give you PNG. And you cannot change this size. If you want to change the size, you'll have to go for the pro version as well. So you can just click on download, and it's gonna download this image, PNG image here for you. So that's it, guys. So you can use this image as a thumbnail, and it looks decent, it looks clean. If you want to complicate it, it's up to you. Canva has a lot of advantages with that regard as well. So thanks for watching. This is your boy, the average gamer 98 over here. If you liked my content, don't forget to like and subscribe for further content regarding a lot of YouTube growth, gaming, and stuff. So this is your boy, the average gamer 98 over here, signing off. You guys take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.